In this activity, your goal is to figure out the value of a mystery number. This number can be any value, starting with 1, 2, 3, and any number up to and including 25. How can you figure out the value of this number? Well, to do so, you can ask for clues. Let's take a look at this table. Here we have a collection of buttons, and each button asks a question. For example, is the mystery number a multiple of 2? To check, I'll press the button. And I see that yes, the number is a multiple of 2. So now, if I have a piece of paper to accompany my work, I can cross out some numbers that I know are not the mystery number. I can then ask for another clue to narrow down my choices even more. For example, I might ask, is the mystery number a multiple of 5? I'll press the button. Oh, no, the number is not a multiple of 5, so that gives me some more information. My goal is to figure out the mystery number by pressing as few buttons as possible. So you can think about whether, for example, it's necessary to ask, is the mystery number a multiple of 10, if you already know that the mystery number is not a multiple of 5. Once you think you know the mystery number, press this button, Show Mystery Number, and you can check to see if you're right. Now, it may turn out in some cases that you can't figure out the mystery number by pressing these buttons. In that case, you can press this button, Show Sum of the Digits, and this gives you one more very helpful clue. It tells you the sum of the digits of the mystery number. For example, if the mystery number is 21, the sum of the digits for 21 is 2 plus 1, which is 3. It's interesting to think about which mystery numbers require you to press this button, Show Sum of the Digits, and which mystery numbers do not require you to press this button at all. When you've solved a puzzle, you can press New Puzzle, and you'll receive a fresh challenge. Now you can also create a mystery puzzle for your friend. Press this button in the lower right corner to move to page 2, and ask your friend to look away. Now you can drag this point and change the value of the mystery number. When you're happy with your selection, press Hide Mystery Number, and now your friend can turn around and solve the problem. When your friend is done, they can press Show Mystery Number or Show Sum of the Digits and check their work. To play again, press Hide Check Marks, and now it's your turn. You turn around while your friend creates a new problem.